Hey, good morning, guys, and welcome to the next way trading. My name is Lester. Today, I'm gonna share with you maybe the best strategy for the OTC market, but definitely is a good one, a good strategy for the OTC market. I'm gonna share with you all the details here and how to trade with this true strategy for binary options in the OTC market using only two indicators. Let's rock with this video. So let's go to explain how to use and how to work this strategy. We are going to use two indicators. One is going to be the fractal indicator, and then the another moving is going to be a simple moving average period 20. This is both indicators we are going to use it and need to find a good scenario to trade to see what is the best opportunity for me. So. Obviously, we need to try to avoid the volatile market, and I'm gonna share with you a few tips on how to trade with this. Sometimes the market have this scenario. Let's go to using this. Sometimes the market show me like neutral scenario, like in this case. See it? So here we have our stable market and a good scenario for me to trade. But how is that? Okay. When we have this type of scenario, it's going to be more simple to use in this strategy. It's not the only way, but it's going to be the most profitable and more simple to use it. And we are going to trade with the fractal indicator. No. And I'm gonna trade with the fractal indicator. Only with the fractal indicator show me the maximum and the minimums. But what direction we are gonna take it? For example, let's go to find a good example here. We have a good example with this one. The fractal indicator show me this green candle and cross the moving average period 20. But crossing going up. So I'm gonna trade for 1 minute on the next candle for a call. And have another signal here, the fractal indicator show me crossing just for a bit and can trade here or here, and it's gonna be a good trade anyway. So when I need to open my trade, for example, in this case, I open my trade 2 seconds before to start opening this candle. And this, sorry for that. And here, where is it? Example that I showed. And here, closing this candle, if you feel comfortable to trade with this, it's closed below of the moving average period 20. We open it 2 seconds before. Why 2 seconds before to closing this candle? Because all the brokers have a delay. So it's gonna help you to enter in the moment the price opened. It's the same here and the same here. So if you trade here, you're gonna open or start here or here. It's gonna be a good trade for you. So if you notice, we have a good example for both scenarios. So we can trade for a call, we can trade for a put, but only we are gonna trade in the moment the cross and the moving average. Crossing here, we trade for a call. Crossing here, we trade for a put. Crossing here, we trade for a call. And it's gonna be the simplest scenario for me. This is it's a simple way to understand and watch the market. Obviously, just like I said before, this type of scenario, a neutral, the moment the market take a risk is the best moment to trade with this strategy. But what happened with this? Not always we are gonna have the same scenario for us. So for that, we need to wait for maybe for a few minutes, maybe 1 hour to have or that type of scenario for us. So my advice is always have a lot of windows, if you have another computers and other screens, you can watch the another currency pairs. Today I'm gonna trade, or I'm gonna using the FOREX broker. Okay, the FOREX broker, and I'm gonna have a few trades and share with you if I can make money with this strategy. I'm gonna using my real account, and I'm gonna trade with $100 with this broker. Why I'm gonna trade with the FOREX broker? For me, I feel more comfortable with this broker trading with the OTC market. So we have another example here. Appears the arrow for the fractal indicator crossing in this one, and we trade for this one. And maybe this can be a neutral scenario for me, but obviously we need to wait for a few minutes to get a good chance, a good opportunity to trade with this strategy. We need to wait to the market have the zigzag and have a good opportunity for us to trade and generate a good profits. This one can be a good scenario too. Let's go to explain why. We have the arrow of this green candle, the fractal indicator, but we have a downtrend. So here cross it for going down for a put. I think I catch a good opportunity here. We can follow the trend with this strategy too. It's gonna be a simple method to generate a good profits with this strategy. It don't require too much science, I lost this opportunity. Look at this, but it's okay. Let's go to wait. It's going up here, but we need to wait more. Okay, let's go to wait. I'm gonna try to find good scenarios for me, and wait to appear as my fractal indicator and show me the good moment to trade. No. Waiting for this one. Remember, both scenarios can be writable for us. Trading follow the trend. We have an uptrend here, and trade with a neutral scenario can be a good scenario to trading for with this strategy. Let's go to using another pair. We have CAD USD. Let's go to check it out with USD. Oh, here's a beauty one, but I think they're a little late. So let's go to watch to see how ending this trade. Something that I don't like it too much with the fractal, with the broker FOREX is give me exactly 1 minute. So for that reason, I recommend you enter in the moment the new candle start. That is gonna give you a good and a better SR. And this is why, because maybe the next candle, boom, blow up your trade. So let's go to it. We have the fractal indicator. Have a good scenario here. I decide cross and my moving average, and I decide and take it for 1 minute for a put. Let's go to wait. Come on. No. I just like I say, in a few seconds can blow up my trade, but was in the money. So we have this three around in the money. And one out of the money, and three in the money. Let's go to check it out to find this is a good one. Cross it. Come on. Only if you show me good chance to trade, I'm gonna take it. Here you can see the time frame for this candle. Right now left at 30 seconds. So let's go to wait. I think this one is better. Don't take it. USD, let's check it out. Here we have another good scenario. It looks more neutral here. And I think it's gonna start for a put, yes. Oh, see that delay? I taken late. I taken a little late, but let's go to wait how ended this another trade. We need to take it 2 seconds before to close it. The previous candle. Let's go to wait. No. Another one in the money. The rules are the same with all the currency pairs, with all the type of scenarios. We are gonna do the same, right? The same thing. Look at this. Was green all this part? Oh, I lost this one. But this is not follow the trend, so it's okay. This one was a beauty. Yeah, I don't feel comfortable to take it right now for 1 minute. Only if we have just a little reverse, I cannot trade for 1 minute. Come on, have a little reverse and I'm gonna take it. Are stronger red candles and pass the resistance. Looks gonna be green. Damn it. Okay, we have this one out the money. Let's go to check it out. Look at this. Was for just for a bit. Okay, let's go to find another currency pair. I don't like this either. Maybe this one was a good one for call, but no. Closed but was in the money. Okay, I think we have a good idea how to work this strategy, right? And this is the trades that I have today. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the money and 2 out of the money, giving me a great results on my trading session today. So what do you think about this strategy? I hope this video can help you. I hope that this strategy can help you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, activate the notification bell. Please leave your comment. Test this strategy with your demo account. Open your demo account with FOREX. I'm gonna leave the link below in this video and see you in the next video.